Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen where we make mouth-watering delicacy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this yummy and delicious authentic suya rice. With no further ado, let's jump into cooking.
Uh. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I'll be using cooked suya, fresh tomatoes, bell pepper, and onions. In a clean pan, I'll go ahead to add some vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'll allow this to hot and then I will be adding the chopped onions and then fry this for few minutes. Next, I will be adding some fresh pepper, aka atarodo, the one you know you can tolerate, and fry this for another minute. Next, I will go ahead to add the blended bell pepper. You can use the red bell pepper. I was not having that, so I make use of what I have at home. So I was having this yellow one, so I decided to use this. Next, I will be adding the chopped fresh tomatoes and then give everything a good stir. If you have watched up to this moment, thank you for watching. I will cover this to cook for a few minutes and then open up the pan. The next thing I will be doing is to stir this up and then I'll go ahead to add suya pepper. I'll be adding 2 types of suya pepper into this. And thereafter, I'll go ahead to add some paprika pepper into this as well. I'll also be adding some curry powder into this and then I'll give everything a good stir and I allow that to cook for some minutes. And now I will go ahead to add my parboiled rice. I will stir this up and also toast this in the sauce. If you have watched up to this moment, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you. I will go ahead to cover this for a few minutes and then open up the pan. I haven't added any liquid to this yet. I just toasted this up in the sauce. Now I'll go ahead to add my chicken broth. You can go ahead to add water or coconut water. Now I went ahead to add more water into this in order for it to be sufficient enough to cook the rice. And then I'll go ahead to stir everything together. Thank you guys for watching up to this point. Please don't forget to subscribe. Now I'll go ahead to add salt and I'll also go ahead to add Maggi. I tasted for salt and Maggi earlier on and it was not enough, so I went ahead to add more. Now I'll be adding the suya at this point. This suya, I bought it from a lady that sells African food stuff from my city. And I'll also be adding some fried chicken. This is optional. Then I will give everything a good stir. And if you have watched this video up to this moment, you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead to subscribe. I will cover this to cook for 5 to 6 minutes on a low heat and then open up the pan. Guys, at this point, my kitchen is full of nice aroma. I mean, the aroma is nose blinding. I'll go ahead to fluff this off and thereafter I will go ahead to add some spring onions just to garnish this up. Our suya rice is ready. Will you be trying this up, guys? If you do, please don't forget to let me know. This was so yummy and so delicious. Thank you guys for watching this video to this point. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Thank you. I went ahead to add some salad into this. It was so delicious. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. And don't forget to keep eating good food.